I could have saved a life that day, but I chose to look the other way.
It wasn't that I didn't care. I had the time and I was there.
But I didn't want to seem a fool and argue over a safety rule.
I knew he'd done the job before. If I spoke up, he might get sore.
The chances didn't seem that bad. I'd done the same. He knew I had.
So I shook my head and continued by. He knew the risks as well as I.
He took the chance. I closed an eye, and with that act, I walked on by.
I could have challenged on that day, but I chose to look the other way.
That guilt is something I must bear, but isn't something you need to share.
If you see a risk that others take, help them identify the mistake.
The question asked or thing you say can see them safely on their way.
If you see a risk and walk away, then hope you never have to say.
I could have saved a life that day, but I chose to look the other way.